All right, everyone, this is a quick review of the Wolfcraft Ratcheting Band Clamp. I think it's a really great tool. I'm just gonna do a quick review of it, 2 minutes or so. So originally I was trying to build like something like this, and I did that with hand clamps and C clamps, and it was just like a hassle. I had to do like each corner at a time, and it was my first time doing it. It was just a pain. So I looked online, I saw that these things existed. I saw it in the store and decided to buy it. Anyway, so it's very simple, a very simple setup. You just get these little like thingies here to hold the corners together in the band. After that, you clip it in, and you are pretty much ready to go as soon as you've done your miters, right? So you just align as best as you can the miters just like that. And then after that, position your clamps just summarily like that. And then one-handed, I'm going to try and do this on one-handed. It's not going to work for sure because it's a video, but oh well. Let's see. All right. Okay, it's getting tighter. Okay, I'm just going to reposition that one. That was my bad. Okay. And this one here. Come on. I know it says one-handed, but you know, holding a camera and trying to do it at the same time is not easy. I should buy a tripod. All right. Okay. Every one of them is good. Just keep on tightening. And at one point, don't overdo it. You don't want to break the damn tool because you know it's a good tool, but one caveat, I got this last night and it already lost the button here. So that goes here. I could like super glue it. I might just like return it to the store and try again another unit and try it out. Oh, damn it. All right, here it is. So anyway, as you can see, like it works now. The corners are pretty much perfect. And if there's a gap, it's me. It's my table saw is just a job site table saw, and it's pretty much my second time doing miters. So anyway, it's not perfect, but it'll get the job done. And these are just like regular 2x4s that I've cut in half, and I did a rabbet. It's hard to pronounce. In it, and a ½ inch. I'm gonna put my plywood in it, my oak plywood. So one last thing, this we're in 2021. This cost me $54.99 Canadian in the Great White North, and with taxes 15%, it was $63. Yes, 15%. But I highly recommend it. For now, it's great. I love it. I might do some more projects with it, and it's so much simpler. I tried with this too, but it was just like too big and bulky, and I had like these corners here, and I tried to put the ratchet strap around them. It didn't work. I don't know, got out of line, got out of alignment, and it wasn't working out. So I'm at 4 minutes now, sorry for that. Great tool, works great, recommend it. And I did pay for it, so this is not sponsored. But as you can see from the junk on my desk, this is just like a quick on-the-fly video. It was not sponsored by anybody. All right, have a great time, guys and gals, and I hope you enjoy it if you buy it. Bye-bye.